because this is a new interface model, we do need to think about what the design looks like for that interaction, and it's probably not going to look exactly like your API and your API consumers because your consumption looks a lot different in working with LLMs and in MCP. And so I think it's going to be super important to get that design right. And there are new constraints. You mentioned like the context window being one of them. Another one is that LLMs don't really handle a large number of tool options very well. So, if your API has 100 different operations and you expose each one of those operations to the LLM, it's going to have a hard time choosing the right one. So we need to think in terms of design, not only how that's going to impact the natural language interface of the end user, but also how is this going to integrate with the large language model and provide the best user experience that we can. And to do that, we need some very deliberate design. And I think all of those best practices haven't really been figured out yet, right? Like we're still very early on in MCP. But certainly, I could see a world where MCP design becomes a product category that, folks are trying to help out with.